Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a little quick swipe. I know, another swipe. You're probably getting bored, but I did a little test piece this morning and I loved it so much that I really wanted to do it on camera. I'll put a little pop-up of the piece I did in the video. So I'm just putting my base down. Just a little bit more paint. I think that should be enough. I've got some leftover gold paint and I have no clue what's in it. I think it's probably a bloom recipe, but it looks like nice and shimmery and I thought let's just use it because I have it. It is pretty thick. I think that should be enough. So what I did on my test piece was use my black swipe color, which is Oxide Black by Amsterdam, with my pouring medium in it, and I swipe with that. Something like that. And then I went over it with my white swiping color, which is titanium white from Amsterdam. Also mixed with my pouring medium, but it's a little bit thinner. I put more water in it. So let's see. So let that sit for a little bit, not too long. Just gonna add a little bit more paint. My base is actually from Bleiswijck paint. It's a Dutch brand. And it's also mixed with my pouring medium. Okay, just let me give this a little spin. So I think this is it. There is a lot of paint on here. Okay, I'm going to torch it just one more time. So I'm going to set it aside, let it dry. I'm going to cover it for sure because there's a lot of paint on here. So let's keep our fingers crossed that it will dry nicely. And I'll show you the final result. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!